Time is precious, time is valuable. Hello, my dear viewers. I'm your Ajay. How are you doing today? Hope everyone is doing fit. Today, I'm so happy to make this video to all of us. Lot of people say time is valuable, time is precious, and time is equal to money. Yes, indeed, you're correct. Can you identify this image? That is a watch. What does watch show? Watch shows us time. Now I'm going to give you different vocabulary related to time. Without delay, let's look at the first one. Here the first one is on time. What is the meaning of on time? On time means on the dot, on exact time. For instance, you have a meeting at 12 o'clock and you arrived exactly at the 12. At the time, you can use this on time. The example sentence is, I have a meeting at 12 o'clock and I'm going to be there on time. Another example sentence is, he was there for the family gathering on time. Let's look at the second one. In time. What does in time mean? In time means before 5 minutes or before a couple of minutes of the scheduled time. For instance, you have an important meeting at 10 o'clock and you were there for the meeting just 10 minutes before the time. So at that time, you can use this vocabulary in time. The example sentence is, I was there for the meeting in time. I always go for the meeting in time. Let's look at the third vocabulary, that is in good time. In good time means you have got a plenty of time and you were there before a plenty of time. At that time, you can use in good time. The example sentence is, our train departures at 12 o'clock and we were there in good time for the journey. Another example sentence is, it is always suggested to be there for the important meetings in good time. I hope you got what I meant by. Let's look at the fourth vocabulary, that is called just in time. Just in time means just before departure, at the departure. The example sentence is, we are advised not to be in time or not to be just in time for anything. If you are just in time for anything, you are gonna miss the good fortunes. Let's look at the fifth one. Only just in time. Only just in time means 1 second or 2 seconds before the scheduled time. He arrived for the meeting only just in time. Is it suggested to be only just in time for the meeting? No, I don't recommend or suggest anyone to be only just in time for the meeting, because we have to face a lot of consequences if you be there only just in time for the important things. And let's look at the sixth one. In the meantime. For example, let us say you have a train at 12 o'clock and you arrive to the station at 10. How many hours of time do you have? You have 2 hours of time in your hand. And what are you going to do? I personally, in meantime, I read books. That means before scheduled time, you have lot of time. What you do in between or in meanwhile, it's called in the meantime. Our train departures at 12 o'clock. We were there in the station at 10. In the meantime, we started to play. Let's look at the seventh one. To spend time. What is the meaning of to spend time? To make use of your time productively. Nowadays, lot of people in this lockdown, they use their time productively for learning many things. So the exact example is always advisable to spend your time productively. Lot of youngsters nowadays, they spend their quality time learning good things. Let's look at the eighth one. How many of you save your time? What is the meaning of to save time? To save time means not to waste your time. Shorten the time. The example sentence is, there was a meeting at 12 o'clock. We started at 8 o'clock in the morning to save our time because normally there will be a huge traffic. Another example sentence is, we were there for the meeting much before the time in order to save our time in wasting the journey. My dear friends, I am so happy to teach you. I hope everyone got this vocabulary. Have a happy learning and see you with another interesting video. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe and share to your near and dear ones. It will be a great helpful for them because English is a universal language and it helps to get plenty of jobs. Thank you very much for watching. Signing off. Have a great day.